we want to make the letter in brackets the subject of the formula. So given v equals 2t with t in the bracket, we want to make t the subject of the formula, which means the formula needs to be written as t equals. So we have v is equal to 2t. Since these are equal, there's no reason we can't write 2t on the left and v on the right. Now dividing both sides by 2 leaves us with t on the left and v divided by 2 on the right. We now have v equals t divided by 2, and we want to make t the subject of this formula. We can rewrite this as t over 2 is equal to v. Note the 2 is dividing the t. The opposite is to multiply, so multiply both sides by 2. We have to do the same to both sides. We could write the 2 on this side as 2 over 1, and then we have 2 times v. 2 goes into 2 once, so we've cancelled down. We have t over 1, which is just t. 2 times v is written as 2v, so t is equal to 2v. Note how with a little practice we should be able to go directly from here to here. There is no need to write in these intermediate steps. They're just there for explanation. However, if you do feel you need to write them in, then do so. The most important thing is to get it right. We now have v equals 2 divided by t, and we want to make t the subject. So v is equal to 2 divided by t. Start by multiplying both sides by t. So v times t is 2 over t times t, which we can write as t over 1, since we're dealing with fractions on the right-hand side. T goes into t once, so on the left we have v times t, and on the right we have 2 times 1, which is 2, over 1 times 1, which is 1, so this is just 2. Now let's divide both sides by v. vt divided by v is equal to 2 divided by v. The v's cancel here, leaving us with t, so t is equal to 2 divided by v. We now have v equals a plus t, and we want to make t the subject. Since they're equal, we can write a plus t is equal to v. We want t on its own, so subtract a from both sides of the formula. Note how we've done the same thing to both sides. Here the a's cancel, just leaving t, so t is equal to v take away a. Note once again here that we have a step which we didn't necessarily need to write down explicitly. We could have skipped from a plus t equals v to t equals v minus a. This step is here for explanation, but don't be frightened to write these things down, especially when you're learning.